the one for me. You ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you. Maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace. Everybody notice me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll basically be telling you guys everything that people don't tell you before starting a business. Well, some of the things you guys may know already, some you may not. So yeah, just keep on watching. So first thing I would say that people don't tell you is do your research. Make sure you do your research. That is very important. So some people come on my YouTube and basically ask me everything down to the oils and the exact pigments that I use. Like, if I tell you what pigments I use, I might as well just not sell it and you can make it yourself. That is not the point of the videos. The point of the videos is actually showing you how to make lip gloss and stuff like that. I mean, I could tell you where I get it from, but I can't tell you exactly what I use in those products because it will be pointless. The oils I use, I put the information in the video. If you watch it, you will see it. It's all right there. I promise you, it's all right there. The only thing is I don't tell you guys the specific items that I use. Like, for the oils, it's okay. And I still don't tell you guys all the oils that I use, to be honest. Do your research is very, very important. Like, down to your vendors. Vendors, some people sell it. Like, and some of them I give out on my YouTube as well. I mean, it's okay to give out some information, but some information you just got to do the research for yourself because people could lie to you. Like, it's so easy for somebody on the internet to lie to you. You can't just trust people off rep. That's just not how businesses work. Another thing that people might not tell you is that you need a employer identification number, also known as EIN. You need that number. It's for tax purposes. You don't have to get it right away, but true story, let me tell y'all. On PayPal. So I use PayPal for my form of payment. If you guys have ever purchased with me, you know this. So basically, I had called PayPal about an issue I was having with a shipment, a payment for a shipment. I didn't know that when you purchase the label, you have to print it within 24 hours. I did not know that, and I waited basically 2 days to print it out because my printer was giving me problems, and then I could not print out the label. So I was just calling them to find out what was going on or whatever. And basically, the lady was telling me that you have to print it within 24 hours after purchasing it. I didn't know that. So she gave me a refund. It was like, the shipping for that particular item was like $309, but she refunded the money or whatnot, and then I reprinted it or whatever the case may be. But she was basically telling me that I need to get an EIN for the business, and it's very important that I get it because I won't be able to receive my money. But I'm telling her that I was already receiving my money before that, so why is it an issue now? Basically, sis blocked my account. Like, after she hung up the phone or whatnot, I was trying to transfer funds from my PayPal to my actual account, to my Chase account, and I could not do it. Like, I was so pissed. I'm like, what the hell? Like, there's a block on my account. Like, she really blocked my account because I told her I didn't want to do that right now. So she was basically putting pressure on me that you have to get it, you have to get it, you have to get it. And I'm like, for what? It's been working fine without it, so why do I have to get it now? And I realized that she blocked me. So basically I have to go get that done now, and it is free on IRS.com. I just didn't want to get it at this current moment since I just started my business, but it's very important that you get that. True story. Oh, and just to let y'all know, by block on my account, I don't mean that you can't purchase anything right now. It just means that I can't transfer the funds in my PayPal account to my actual Chase banking account. That's all that means. That doesn't mean that you can't purchase anything on the website, because you can. So another thing people don't tell you is that make sure that when you're starting a business, it's something that you are passionate about, something that you love. It's something that you won't give up on, because it doesn't make any sense for you to start a business because you see somebody else is doing it or based on a trend, because that time and money will be wasted, and that's just something you don't want. Me, for instance, I love hair, I love makeup. If you guys follow me on Instagram or Snapchat or Facebook, or if you follow me on all three, that's great. you can see that I always post videos of me doing my makeup or doing my hair. Some videos I post on YouTube, some of them I don't, because it gets overwhelming to edit all these videos. And for Facebook and Instagram, you only need a minute, so that's easier for me. But on YouTube, I try to do lip gloss videos more than I actually do makeup videos. But basically, it is my passion. I love it. I do my own hair, I do my own makeup. And for my particular business, I'm planning on coming out with an eyeshadow palette. For now, right now, I just do lip glosses and eyelashes. So yeah, I love it. I've been doing it for like, I've been doing makeup for about 4 or 5 years. And listen, let me tell you, if I could do my makeup every day, I'll do my makeup every day. But waking up early in the morning and going to my 9 to 5 is just not it. I cannot wake up and do makeup. I need my sleep. So yeah, that's on that. And another thing is, be consistent. I know I tell people to be consistent, and I'm not even consistent. I'm speaking on Instagram. When I first started on Instagram, I was, how should I say this? On Instagram, I was consistent like probably the first month, and then I fell off because I couldn't find time. Like, I was at work more than normal because of the holidays coming up. Everybody was off, and I would have to cover for them and stuff like that. So it was very hard for me to keep up with it, which is why I am trying to quit my 9 to 5, because I feel like my business is more important. Like, I just feel like that's what I want to do. I don't want to work for nobody else anymore. Like, all of this drama going on at work and all of this extra stuff, I don't want to deal with that anymore. So I'd rather just be a full-time entrepreneur, to be honest. But I would have to be stable in it first. I have to see the income coming in first before quitting my actual 9 to 5. So another thing is that some people, when they first start off, they just expect people to keep buying and the sales to be consistent. It doesn't happen right away. It takes time. Some people, it might happen right away. Some, it might not. But I don't believe that it happens right away, to be honest. Like, you have to put yourself out there. You have to start your website. You have to be promoting. Like, for me, for me, I promote on Facebook, I promote on Snapchat, I promote on Instagram. I did start at Etsy, but I wasn't consistent with that. I don't even have Etsy on my new phone. I had it on my old phone. So you have to be consistent. Me, I just started getting the views on YouTube because when I was doing, so when I first started YouTube, I was basically doing hair and makeup videos. And only a few videos I was consistent with, and these videos really got the views on it. But then I had stopped doing YouTube. I don't know what I was doing in my life back then, but I had stopped. So my views had went away. My supporters had went away, of course, because you're not posting often as you used to or whatnot. So that's why you have to be consistent. Like, if you want to get somewhere, that's what anything in life, if you want to get anywhere, you have to be consistent. And that's what I'm trying to do now. As you guys can see, I've been uploading back to back to back to back, and I am trying my best. Like, sometimes I am up at 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, and I have to be up at 5 to go to the gym. Or sometimes I don't even go to the gym, and then I go to work late and stuff like that. Like, you have to make sacrifices. Like, it does not happen overnight, and I know that it don't, which is why I'm being so patient. Like, I'm working towards everything that I want, and I'm gonna see it happen. It's going to happen. I am being very patient. That's all that. So another thing is your logo. Make sure that you're having your logo actually made. Don't just get it off of don't just get it on the internet. Like, you see somebody made a logo and then you buy it off of them. Make sure that you tell the person, whoever is making your logo, make sure you tell them how you want it. Don't purchase something that they already have, because I went through a horrible experience because I had no idea, of course, because I was just starting off. I purchased a logo on Etsy. It was already made, and I bought it from him or whatever. I bought it from him or whatever, and then he basically just put my my brand name in the bottom, it was the eye. It's the same logo that is still on my intro, which I have to change because I changed it myself. And I have seen so many people with that logo since then. Like, I was so upset. I know I couldn't be upset, but at the same time, I purchased it, and I'm seeing so many people with it. Some people have just the eye, and they crop the bottom where your name is supposed to be. That is just terrible. Make sure you have your logo made. Don't buy one that's already made and then put your name on it. Somebody else is going to have it, and you're going to be pissed off, okay? You're going to be pissed off. That's something you don't want to happen. And I ended up doing my own logo on, what is it called? What is the name of the app? Let me see if I remember. I ended up doing my own logo on PixArt. So I basically ended up making a new logo on PixArt. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that app. I did make my own logo because I was asking around because my homegirl, she does makeup as well, and she had her logo made, but I didn't know that it was made by her best friend. So I was telling her to ask him how much he's going to charge me for the logo, and he's like $150, and I'm like, yeah, I'm not paying that. I mean, you do have to invest in your business, but I don't believe in paying that much for a logo. I'm sorry, I just don't. And then I was asking my roommate as well how much he charged for logos, because he is a designer, and he's like $3,000. I'm like, yeah, these prices just go higher and higher and higher. I don't think he would have charged me that much, but at the same time, I'm like, yeah, paying for a logo is just not it for me. So then I did it on PixArt, and I will make a video because somebody did ask me. By the way, guys, I see all the video requests on my channel. It's just that replying to everybody is just so hard for me. Like, keeping up with everything is just hard. So I see it. I want you guys to know that I see it, and I am considering the video. So I'm just doing it step by step. Like, whichever one was requested first, I would do first, and I'm gonna work like that. But I do see it, and I am working on it. Trust and believe me. But that's all for now. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, subscribe, however you want to say it, and goodbye.